best fish finders for every angler. I recently bought and tested some of the top fish finders out there, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. I know how overwhelming it can be with so many options, so I've dove deep into the features, pros, and cons of these devices to help you make an informed choice.
Product number 1, Fish Pro 2026 Upgrade Underwater Camera. Let me tell you about my experience with the Fish Pro 2026 Upgrade, the official camera of the USA ice fishing team. From the moment I unboxed it, I was impressed by its 7-inch IPS display, which is a game changer for visibility. The HD 1080p clarity made it easy to see every fish and underwater structure, even in murky waters. I took it out for a day of ice fishing, and the 10,000 mAh battery was a lifesaver. It lasted me a full 20 hours. I was worried about power running low, but with the USB-C charging port, I could plug in a power bank and keep going. The dual lighting system, IR for black and white views and LED for full color, made it versatile for various light conditions. I loved how easy it was to switch between modes, just a tap of a button. The magnetic spool system for the 82-foot cable was super convenient, allowing me to maneuver the camera without tangling it.
Product number 2, Garmin Striker Vivid 4CV. Next up is the Garmin Striker Vivid 4CV, which I found to be incredibly user-friendly. The 4-inch color display was bright and vibrant, making it easy to spot fish and underwater structures. The new vivid scanning sonar color palettes were a great addition. I could easily distinguish between different types of fish and objects in the water. The GT20 transducer provided reliable traditional sonar and CHIRP Clearview scanning sonar, giving me a comprehensive view of what was beneath my boat. One of the standout features was the built-in high-sensitivity GPS, which allowed me to mark waypoints and create routes. I was particularly impressed with the Quick Draw Contours mapping feature that lets you create custom maps as you fish. However, the screen size may be a bit limiting for some, especially if you're used to larger displays. At just under 12 ounces, it's lightweight, making it easy to transport. Product number 3, Venterior Portable Fish Finder. The Venterior Portable Fish Finder turned out to be a surprising gem. With a compact 2.6-inch color TFT display, it's lightweight and extremely portable. I appreciated that I could use it in various environments, whether from a kayak or while shore fishing. The castable sensor eliminated the need for long cables, which was a major plus. The depth detection capability, ranging from 2.6 to 164 feet, was impressive. I found the bottom contour display to be particularly useful. It gave me a clear idea of the underwater landscape, which helped me choose my fishing spots wisely. One thing to note is that the background color changes for sunlight visibility, which made it easy to read in bright conditions. However, the screen size might be challenging for those who prefer larger displays. The battery life was decent, and it comes with a 2-year warranty, which shows that the brand stands behind its product. For anyone looking for an affordable and portable option, the Venterior Portable Fish Finder is definitely worth considering. Product number 4, Garmin Striker Vivid 7CV. Now let's dive into the Garmin Striker Vivid 7CV. This model ups the ante with a 7-inch color display, making it much easier to see details compared to smaller screens. The vivid scanning sonar color palettes were again impressive, and the clarity of the images was top-notch. The GT20-TM transducer provided fantastic sonar readings, and I found the built-in GPS feature to be a game changer for marking my favorite fishing spots. The Quick Draw Contours feature allowed me to create my own maps on the fly, which I found incredibly useful. The Wi-Fi connectivity was a neat touch, letting me connect to the Active Captain app for notifications and waypoint transfers. The only downside is that it's a bit heavier at 4.7 pounds, which could be a consideration for those looking for portability. However, given its features and performance, I think it's a worthy investment for serious anglers. The Garmin Striker Vivid 7CV is perfect for anyone who wants a comprehensive and user-friendly experience.
Product number 5, Real Sonar iBobber. Finally, I tested the Real Sonar iBobber, which is a portable and Bluetooth-enabled fish finder. It was incredibly easy to use and set up with the accompanying app on my smartphone. With a depth range of up to 135 feet and a battery life of over 10 hours, it's a solid companion for long fishing trips. I loved the visual images it provided, which made it easy to identify fish sizes and locations. The built-in fish alarm was a fun feature, alerting me when fish were detected underneath. One of the best things about the iBobber is its versatility. I could use it in freshwater or saltwater, and it even performed well in ice fishing conditions. However, the 5-inch screen could feel a bit cramped if you're used to larger displays. Still, it's lightweight and perfect for anglers on the go. For those looking for a gift for a fishing enthusiast, the iBobber is a fantastic choice that combines technology and ease of use. In conclusion, each of these fish finders has its own unique features catering to different types of anglers. Whether you're looking for a portable option like the Venturier or a powerhouse like the Garmin Striker Vivid 7CV, there's something for everyone. Trust me, investing in a good fish finder can transform your fishing experience. Happy fishing!